Why leave?
Unfortunately, we're overpopulated because of food shortage.
I haven't eaten for 2 days.
Well, I think the plains can offer us something. I heard there's water and food. Okay. We finally arrived at this place.
Are you serious? This place is a waste, and that's not good.
We're so sorry that it brought you guys here. There's no materials in sight and the soil's terrible. Why did we come here?
How are we going to survive in this harsh environment?
We settle in.
Guys, I think I have an idea for this uncontrollable water. Why don't we put an earth wall that can block it?
Sure, I think that's a really good idea.
What should we call it?
A levee. Why should we call it a levee? Because it's a wall that controls water and helps it so we can save water for later.
Wait a minute, this might not work though.
Yeah,
How are we going to get the water?
we probably could just poke a hole in it. Yeah, poke a hole. It'll just flow through.
Wow.
Such a great idea, right? Hey guys, isn't the invention of the plow and the wheel great?
Yeah, it's so useful.
It's so useful too. I used it like 5 seconds ago. It helped me carry all my cargo. Yeah. The wheel started the plow.
Ooh, that wheel looks cool. It's so designated.
Well, I gotta get back to work. The wheel on the plow goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the plow. Sacrifice, sacrifice, sacrifice. Help me!
Hey Sam, how long do you think the king's been in there? I think it's been 3 weeks. Really? I guess you need to be in there to get the blessings from the gods.
How do you know that the god wants me sacrificed?
He really shouldn't be defying the gods like that. By saying those terrible words. We need to show love, obedience, and devotion to them. Come here.